Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Singh and today I am going to tell you about that what is Java. So Java is a popular, robust, high-level, object-oriented and secure programming language. And Java was developed by Sun Microsystem, which is now the subsidiary of Oracle Corporation. The lead engineer of Java was James Gosling. He is also known as the father of Java. The first beta version of Java was released in 1995 and the first established version of Java was released in 1996. As per the Sun Microsystem data, it shows that 3 billion devices runs Java. And we can run Java on different platform like Windows, Mac OS and various version of the Unix. Java can be used to develop different type of applications like web application, mobile application, especially Android apps, desktop applications, games development, and software automation testing project, and much more. Java was developed on the principle that programmer can write once and run anywhere the code. If I tell you in the short form, WORA, write once, run anywhere. That means that the programmer can execute the compiled Java code anywhere which support the Java without recompiling the project. Thank you so much. If you have any questions about any of the point which I told you during this video, you can type that in the comment section. I will answer that as soon as possible. Thank you so much.